Welcome back to another video. It's been like 3 months since I posted my last video. Right now I'm on my way to BMW to pick up the keys, as y'all did see on the thumbnail and down the title. We're working on a project car, so I do have to get the keys for it though. So I'm on my way to do that. But I have been on a hiatus, a 4-month hiatus. So hey man, videos every week. At least I'm gonna keep my promise with y'all, new videos every week. But yeah, I'm on my way to do that right now. I'm on my way to get the keys. Once I get the keys, we get the car back jumping and started. I get to show you guys the car and what I got planned for it. Alright y'all, I just pulled up the BMW. As y'all can see, I'm surrounded by them. This color on this X7 is so nice. I like that. But they have this champagne and graphic gray next to each other. That gray is nice. Alright, let me go get this key. Alright, so as y'all can see, here is the Born Fine 335i. Yuck. This shit is dirty. We finally have the key to this motherfucker, so we can pop the trunk. Now that the trunk pop, there's a whole bunch of shit in here and all in this car. I can tell it's literally all throughout of it. So I gotta get this shit cleaned out. Get to this battery, and once I replace this battery, hopefully the car fires right up. Oh my god, so much shit in here. Half of this shit is trash. Okay, let's get this battery out so we can get it replaced. All right, I got this shit all loosened up, and I'm gonna pull this out. This shit looks new. We gotta replace this. Alright, I got the battery out. And yeah. I mean, look at this shit, bro. Mad traffic outside right now, but I still gotta go ahead and get this over with. I don't feel like waiting around, feel like getting this car started and moved. But I just have to. Like, the condition of that car is crazy. We gotta get this car back running. We gotta get it washed, clean, bring it back up to life, because just sitting like that is just not gonna do, man. So once I get this battery replaced, I'll be able to fire it up. Obviously, as y'all can see and y'all do know, it's not in the best condition right now. The car still runs, drives and everything, so I'll be able to drive it and everything, so that's good. It just really needs a good wash. So Born Fine 335i. And I've been seeing a lot of people with their 335i's bringing them back out, man. The original B58, the original M Light, you know. I feel like the M54, which I don't feel like, it's kind of obvious. The M54 brought light to BMW to make all their M's 6-cylinder twin turbos. Like in general, like it's perfect build. They've been doing it ever since. S58, B58, everything. I just feel like the M54, all the parts that's built around it, just always fails. So that's like the bad part about it. The actual engine's good, but all the little components, the plastic around it, always fails. Something's always failing. Bad fueling, the O2s, all the bull crap. You had the M54, you know. M55, probably one of the best reliable 6-cylinders, but obviously it's not the fastest car in the world. Some people argue with you. They got the people that fuck with the M55s, which they do sound good, but nah, not for me. But yeah, man, right now we're heading to Walmart. I think I already told y'all that. That's where I got the battery from, because shit, it's free replacements with 4-year warranty. So if you ever had a battery from Walmart and it's almost 4 years since you got it, just go get a new one. Simple. It's free. It's so much traffic. I hear people all the time talking about how bad LA traffic is. No, Atlanta traffic is horrible. Honestly, coming from the 335 to this just now, it's like BMW did a major upgrade. Major in the interior. It's crazy. I feel like that Model 3 Series is still timeless, just because what it is. but definitely did an upgrade. Y'all watching this video, do y'all have a 335i in hopes to get one? Because as y'all know, a 335i was my first car. So if y'all watching this to get one for your first car, I'm letting you know now, great car. It's just you're gonna have to spend a lot of money on maintenance, especially if you go for the N54, which 9 times out of 10, if you're looking for a 335, I'm pretty sure you're running N54. Looking to spend on some maintenance. The B58, as y'all know, I have the B58 too. The B58 is more reliable, same power almost. I mean, not almost, same power, next same power, full bolts on and whatnot, but way more reliable and way better on gas. Way better on gas. I seen the S58 on a full tank is like 200 miles per gallon. So the S58 is bad on gas. Sheesh. So yeah, there's that. Alright y'all, it's the next day and I got the battery running. Well, it's the next week, and it took a whole lot to get this car back running because the battery was not working for some reason. I had found out that the ground wasn't connected, but as y'all can see, we got the abandoned beast running. Yep, so she's back and running. She's really freaking dirty. Oh my god, my finger, dude. That's gross. She's really dirty. Full walk around. Bird poop or paint, I don't know. But look at this. We have a new wing in the car already. We're gonna get that installed real soon. The wheels are nice, but like I said, they're filthy. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but they're filthy. I mean, the best thing about this car is that the interior is immaculate. You know what I'm saying? Interior is really good. But about to go ahead, go for a nice little ride, get this car washed. This is my first video back in like, hold on, can y'all see me? Is that better? But just my first video back in like 2 months. Oh, taking a finally getting this abandoned car up and running, and more X7 content too on the way. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this for a ride. We're gonna take it to a self car wash and show y'all how I pretty much washed the car. It's like a 2-part video, bringing the car back to life. And the first step is making it look like it belongs on the road instead of a dust mite or a big dust ball. All right. Fat tire on this one, so hopefully the fat tire fits the way I want to. I know you have to do like a brake kit, which makes your brake smaller, which sucks, but we're gonna see how low we can go without having to do that, honestly. But all in all, it feels good driving this car, man. It's super, if y'all can hear it, it's super smooth, super smooth. So the engine's running good. That's good news. Temperature's good, everything's good. I think this is gonna be a good build, guys. All right, y'all. I made it to the car wash, and I got all my little stuff for the car wash: some wheel cleaner, some wax, nice little bucket, and the water. Show y'all how I pretty much wash the car at a car wash. Alright, y'all, getting this car clean took like 15 minutes, so don't be mad if the car is not super clean, but I think it came out good for 15 minutes. So yeah, it went from a dust mite to a shiny princess. Yeah, she looks so much better, y'all. Turn the brightness up for y'all. But it looks a lot better than it was. Got the wheels clean. Damn, it looks so much better compared to the beginning of the video where this thing was completely dirty. So it looks a lot better right now. Wheels is shining. Damn, this shit look good. So yeah, man, the new build on the channel is, well, the continuous build back clean, and we got it back running. Thank y'all for tuning into the video. We'll go ahead and park this thing up, see what we got to do next. We got a lot of work to do, a lot of work. But once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I know this was a short video, but it's kind of like a quick introduction into the project car. So 335 eyes, I see them going viral again. I see them all over the internet. Why not get the 335 eye and build it for the channel? So we got 2 builds for the channel so far. It'll be 3 builds real soon. Trash. Anyway, like I was saying, it'll be 3 builds for the channel real soon, and hopefully we get all of them done. As y'all know, building all these cars at the same time is a hassle. But I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Peace.